Good evening. My name is Paul Miller, and I want to welcome everyone to tonight's special broadcast. If tonight's program only dealt with the memory of Kristallnacht, it would be important enough for everyone to watch. Kristallnacht, as we all know, took place over 8 decades ago, November 9, 1938, when Jews and Jewish institutions across Germany and Austria were attacked by a paramilitary organ of the Nazi Party, sanctioned by the German government, which ushered in the horror of the Holocaust. But tonight's program also brings us a fuller understanding of what the world is facing today. Attacks on communities and institutions by the ultra-right and the extreme left, which bear the all too familiar actions and slogans of the past. Tonight's program, therefore, is not merely important, it is crucial. People around the world cannot merely stand by, as happened in the 1930s, and allow us once again to slip into the atrocities of the past. If anyone has a doubt about the reality of what is happening today, one example should dispel all doubt. Not 8 decades ago, rather only 1 month ago, state and federal law enforcement authorities exposed, broke up, and indicted members of an ultra-right organization connected to a plot to attack the capital of the state of Michigan, kidnap, try, and kill the governor. These kinds of people are terrorists, and their actions must be understood for what they really are and what they stand for. I would now like to thank our presenters, who will remind us about the evil that was Kristallnacht and bring us a fuller understanding of what the world is facing today. Our partner, the International March to the Living, not merely for tonight's program, but for the work they have been doing for decades to keep the memory of the Holocaust alive. And 2 special people who are not usually seen, but without whose work tonight's presentation would not have been possible: David Macklis and Ellie Rubinstein. Finally, I want to extend a special thanks to the Jewish Broadcasting System for enabling this special presentation to be seen and heard over its network, which serves between 500,000 and 600,000 people monthly, and globally throughout Europe and Israel online. It is now my pleasure to turn tonight's presentation over to my friend, Richard Heidemann, who will chair this special program.